Aren't you astronauts?
Yes, ma'am. We like to compare notes with Stevie on the new space station.
Hi. We're the Pointer Sisters. We need Stevie's help with our new album.
The Amiga computer. What can it do? Well, what do you want it to do?
I need some more help.
Mr. O'Neill. Upstairs first door on the left.
Can you hear me?
Amiga from Commodore, the computer for the creative mind. What you're looking at is a first. Color, sound, graphics, power. All at a price that allows the creative mind to reach its full potential. Amiga from Commodore, the computer for the creative mind.